Hello friends, fighting ke sangtene TTAADC ni bisingte katal kaisa job ni notification elenai chai September 2023 tarikh na korka ira duita post na tlanjaknai dai executive officer accounts officer duita post na tlanjaknai duita post ni bagai application khaina thangke permanent resident of Tripura ongna nangnai ni saja ora contract basic 11 month ni bagai na tlanjaknai enke ora salary jaknai 40,000 tei 35,000 jaknai selection enke walking interview ni bisingti na selection khaijaknai interview na date jatango 11 September 2023 tarikh te 12 September 2023 tarikh interview na date tongnai beno ongka naroi tongthai TTADC khumlungo no interview lajaknai 11 ta am ni simi 3 ta pm jaratai enke ora name of the post enke dai executive officer ni bagai post ekta na tongnai accounts officer ni bagai but post ekta tongnai essential qualification ke dai executive officer ni bagai master degree in commerce MCom khaijak nangnai preference jak tango age limit ke 18 years ni simi maximum ke 37 years jaratai application khaimanai accounts officer ni bagai qualification ke bachelor degree in commerce BCom khaijang ke nara post ni bagai application khaimanai preference jak tango age limit ke 18 ni simi 37 years jaratai application khaimanai hinke nara jara duita post ni bagai interested candidate tongnai application khaina bagai narok plain paper narok ni biodata format tei select tested no o address no sendma khainai to the executive officer TTADC khumlung o address no narok sendma khainai application ni loge narok ni documents ni details jak tongo select tested copies of PRTC admit card of madhyamik te as pro certificate high secondary ni marksheet te graduate ni certificate te experience no kenaro experience certificate rena nangnai te recent passport size photograph loge rena nangnai inke friends nara notification ang video ni description renai nara video ni description thani kam khenai nei di application form ka mo application form na nara video ni description mannai inke friends nara nogoi mankhana TTAADC ni bisingte katal post ni notification o mohai katal job ni notification aina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai sabro khade tei nara katal job notification nogoi mannai।